Hi, this is Prashant and Vikas there taking a video at the Nokia office in Bangalore. We are here for the N8 review and let's see what's in there. So let's look at the form factor first. It has got a very sleek design. Because the battery is sealed inside, you cannot remove and put it back and stuff like that. And it has got a HDMI port here, so you can shoot HD videos out of 12 megapixel camera which it has and view it right away on your LCD display, so you can consume HD content right out of box from this device. And it has got xenon LED flash which Nokia says it's better than any other flash, and tries to reproduce the sunlight quality out of it. And Carl Zeiss lens, best in optics. So this is about it. I think this is a SIM card slot and micro SD, and this is micro USB port, and this is the camera button and volume keys. So let's get inside the phone and see what it has to offer. So this is the home screen. It has multiple home screens, like 3 home screens it has. You can also swipe through them. It has a capacitive AMOLED touch screen, so you can customize the home screen depending on your requirement and taste. Let's have a look at photos. It has pinch to zoom. Okay, let me get into a photo. So pretty neat actually. So which is pretty neat actually, not as smooth as I thought, but it is still in a beta. I think the production version will have much better experience. Oh, that was my mistake. So this is pretty neat. Let's try the web browser, and pinch to zoom should work there also, but there's no network over here, no SIM card put into the phone, but I'll try to connect to my Joiku Spot and try doing something. So okay, pretty neat actually. I am very comfortable. Okay, it says web not available. So how do I connect to the Wi-Fi? Where? Oh. Yeah, here. Okay, where is Joiku Spot? Oh, I have not turned it on. Just give me a sec. Let's go to I don't think we can access any website. Okay, I guess we are not lucky enough to get hold of it. So let's get out of it. Let's see. This has got unified contract similar to N900 and Android also. Like And what's new? Nothing. I don't see anything much new when it comes to software. Symbian 3. Can it comes with a micro USB to USB converter, using which you can connect any USB device and uh, transfer files to and fro. Basically, you can connect another phone or a pen drive or a camera, anything, and transfer data from that. So that's one really cool feature. I think this is the first one to have something like that, and so far it looks pretty brilliant. But we need to see. It has got internal 16 GB of memory and expandable up to 48 GB, hot swappable, and that's all about it. 3.5 audio jack. What is this about? I don't know. Yeah, that's pretty much about it. We have Raghu Kannan here trying out the new N8. No, not quicking. This is the video which I will be uploading tonight. So Raghu, what do you think about the N8?
I'm going to check my hair. Oh no, I had a haircut today morning.
Oh, you want the content to be exclusive for My Nokia World?
No.
You don't want to talk here, huh?
Yes. Yes.
So what do you think about the N8? What's your first impression about it?
It's okay.
Would you buy
I haven't. Huh?
Hey, wait a second, man. Let's put you on the spot.
Would I buy it? Would I get it? If I get it free, I take it.
No, honestly, what do you think about the
I
device?
haven't really use it in that much, so.
You're
let's
holding
see
it
how
in hand, so you can talk about the form factor.
It feels really nice. I don't know. The only thing is that it feels like the same old Symbian interface.
Oh.
Yeah, that's the main thing. Apart from that, everything feels like really. It's fast. That's
No, one thing
can't compare it to anything else.
about
Yeah.
the
But the interface is quite responsive comparatively,
yeah, so it's
and
much more responsive.
yeah.
Even the screen.
you cannot really have that old Symbian impression when you are looking at
Once you
this.
start using it, but
Yeah.
even then, even like in the browser,
Yeah,
tab browsing. That's something that I want.
yeah, that's
I don't
true.
want to have to use a third-party app for
Yeah.
that. I mean, it's like the N900.
Opera Mini or
Yeah,
something like that.
I'm using Opera on the N900 only because of the multi-user thing. That's all. The same way I have Google Chrome only for some other user.
Yeah,
And the photos and the videos look awesome.
yeah, it's
I haven't
12
compared.
megapixel high definition. So
Yeah, and can't compare. I haven't seen it on a comp, but and it's gonna have gravity.
yeah, the gravity is a big deal. Yeah, that's
And
true.
So as long as that's there. Hey, wait, but it's gonna be the 60 version 5 version of gravity. Unless it's a QT port of gravity, in which case it'll be there on the
It's not
N900.
a cute.
Yeah, it is
Yes,
going
I
to
don't have
be.
give up my 900.
Yeah, maybe you can guess that on in the Nokia world. General maybe, and I mean, you
Yeah,
answer
yeah.
that in the
Question,
Nokia world.
yeah.
At,
Yeah, because I've been bugging him like every day.
Yeah, even me too.
Yeah.
I've asked like so many times about for bringing gravity to
Yeah,
N900.
and I keep going to the gravity forum user voice and sending it.
Yeah. See, the talk can easily, divert just
Oh, yeah,
one
going back
one
to
word
this.
called gravity,
Yeah,
It's
I
such an
know.
awesome application.
Without gravity, that.
And we got to see how all the other apps also work, like the navigation,
Hmm.
apart from movie maps, like Google Maps,
Yeah.
like latitude and everything else.
Yeah.
I want to see how that works. And also, like some of the things like Twitter.
Hmm.
Remember in the communities app that was there on S60 was by previously the beta app, how when you geotagged it, you got the OEMap tag linked with it.
Yeah.
So you
Oh,
wouldn't
that
show up
was
as a geotagged
Yeah. That's
because
correct.
that uses Google Maps for geotagging. Even though on display for everything else, people use Bing Maps and everything else.
Yeah.
But that kind of stuff, you just have to see how that works.
Works
Otherwise,
on
it
this, yeah.
feels- Oh, can I see the mail? Is it okay or is it? Okay. No, I just want to see how fast it opens up.
Yeah, that's right. I'll open it neutral.
It has no messaging, right?
Yeah.
It has Nokia messaging on it. I have my office ID on it, so that's
Oh, yeah, okay.
yeah.
Oh, that's much faster than
And then
that. Excuse me, sorry. That's really, really neat.
Right.
Oh, that's an email, right?
Yeah.
Cool.
So the default is the HTML view or?
Default is the HTML.
So if I just press travel images,
Yeah.
why are you giving that?
Can use your.
Yeah, I was just seeing. Oh, that's